some people always think that snoring is as a result of nasal congestion. That might be so, but it's not always the case. There's a particular medical condition called obstructive sleep apnea, and this usually presents with chronic snoring and other signs and symptoms. And if this kind of medical condition is left unattended, it can even lead to death during sleep. So this means that this video is very, very important. If you are new to this channel, my name is Uskodo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Now, obstructive sleep apnea is a particular medical condition where the respiratory tract usually closes partially or completely during sleep. So you see, the respiratory tract is like a pipe. So whenever you breathe, the air has to pass through this pipe. But when this pipe starts closing, and that makes breathing becomes very, very difficult. Many people with this medical condition usually notice a pause in their breathing. So their breathing stops and then starts again at some point in time. And there's also loud snoring. Then after that, when you wake up, you might feel weak and tired because it makes your body become deprived of oxygen. That makes your brain start sending signals to your heart and other crucial organs in your human body that your body needs oxygen. So that will make your heart to pump a lot of blood to meet your body's demand. And that pressure or workload on your heart can lead to heart attack. You see, because heart attack occurs when blood flow to your heart is being reduced. So when there's a lot of pressure on your heart to push a lot of blood in order to meet your body's demand, that strain or pressure can cause a heart attack. And the majority of people that don't know that just common snoring can predispose you to hypertension or high blood pressure. Because when the pressure on your heart becomes very, very high, or the workload of your heart becomes very, very high, and it becomes persistent for a very long period of time, that can predispose you to hypertension. So henceforth, if you start noticing that a friend of yours or a colleague of yours have been having this issue of snoring consistently for a very long period of time, or you yourself have this issue of snoring, then you shouldn't ignore. It's very important that you seek medical care because sometimes it might be as a result of this obstructive sleep apnea. And that one is treatable. If you meet your specialist or your medical doctor, it is treatable. But if you leave it unattended, it can go a long way to harm you or cause a lot of complications to you. So if you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.
I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you.